Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and a new nail art video. If you are here for the first time, hi there. I post nail art and nail polish related videos every week. So if you are interested in trying DIY nail art ideas at home, or if you like watching nail art videos or review videos, then please do consider subscribing by clicking that subscribe button, and also don't forget to click on that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I post a new video. Today's nail art video is a really special one, and the nail art design that I'm going to be sharing in this video is very close to my heart. As we all know that the entire world is struggling and trying to come out of the COVID situation, our Prime Minister Mr. Modi recently started Atmanirbhar Bharat movement, which really means to use more and more products which are made in India to support the Indian economy. So, in order to support this movement, I have used my favorite Indian Ayurveda skincare brand, Forest Essentials, as well as my favorite nail polish brand, which is again made in India, Nykaa, as my inspiration for this nail art design. I request you all to share this video as much as you can with all the fellow citizens to create more and more awareness. So without making you wait for any longer, let's quickly start with creating this nail art design. As always, I start by applying a really good quality peel off base coat, and then I paint my index fingernail, my pinky nail, as well as my thumbnail in white base. After this, I'm using this gorgeous nail polish from Nykaa to paint my middle fingernail for the base of my Forest Essentials design. It's a 5 free nail polish and it's called Midnight Craving number 67. The formula of this nail polish is really smooth and creamy and gives you opaque look in just 2 coats. So after applying 2 coats of this beautiful navy nail polish from Nykaa on my middle fingernail, I painted my ring fingernail in this gorgeous yellow color. I had to actually mix 2 nail polishes to create this shade, which is similar to the product of Forest Essentials. I'll show you in a bit. I do that quite often. If I don't have a particular shade to match something, then I go ahead and mix 2 or more polishes to create a unique shade. Then I'm going to use this really small nail art brush and a golden nail polish to create the Forest Essentials logo, like so. It's a really simple one. You just have to create a sort of a tree with some branches. So while I am creating this logo, let me quickly tell you a little bit about this beautiful brand Forest Essentials. It's a luxurious skincare brand which creates products based on ancient science of Ayurveda. Also, it is a cruelty-free brand and all its products are 100% natural and safe to use. Isn't that amazing? I am really a huge fan of almost all of their products, but I have a couple of my favorites which I'll share with you just in a bit. Here's the logo ready. Now for the middle finger, I'm going to use this rose to resemble the design of my favorite product from this brand. It's their hydrating sea salt crystal rose body polisher, which smells so divine and works like a magic. And on my ring fingernail, I'm gonna be using this delicate pink flower sticker to resemble this beautiful facial cleanser, which I really love from Forest Essentials as well. This brand has so many products to choose from. Have you tried any of their products? Do let me know in the comment section which ones are your favorite and I should give them a try as well. Also, I love Nykaa as a brand as well, and if you have any recommendations, do let me know in the comment section as well. I am always looking for tried and tested recommended products. Also, if you have any products in your mind which you would like to see the reviews of, you can comment down below to let me know and I'll try and review them for you on my channel. Using these stickers is really simple and easy. I have a dedicated video in which I show how step by step you can easily use these stickers to create beautiful nail art designs at home. So you can follow that tutorial I'll link that in the description box, or you can also click on the link right above on the right corner after watching this video. You can buy these stickers from Amazon. They have lots and lots of options, and as you can see, they are really quick and easy to use. For the pinky nail, I'm going to make the Indian flag to represent the made in India products which I'm using in this nail art video, that is Forest Essentials and Nykaa nail polish. On my thumbnail, I am making this cute bunny to represent that the Forest Essential brand is a cruelty free brand and it is 100% safe and natural to use. So there it is, quick and simple awareness nail art design for the Indian brands. Do give them a try. Finally, I apply a good layer of top coat to protect and seal in my design so that it lasts for a longer period of time, and also it stays shiny and glossy like this. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I request you to share this video and create the awareness of more Indian brands. In fact, you should head over to my Instagram right now because there is a fun little video I have just uploaded on my IGTV where a lot of nail artists have collaborated and showed a lot of Indian branded products on nails. Isn't that amazing? So head over to my Instagram right now and show some love there. Thanks so much for watching and stopping by here. I love you all and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.